Hi, in front of me is OPPO Reno5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this OPPO device. Start by going into Play Store and typing iOS launcher. Now you need to download this app from this developer. Open it. Click while using the app, choose Allow, and tap Home button. Then go into Settings, scroll down, choose App Management, click on Default App, and choose Home App. Over here you need to click on iOS Launcher, choose Got It, and as you can see, now Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!